Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are going to do back pain relief exercises. No equipment needed except a soft surface to lay on. And the exercises are designed to give you instant pain relief. My name is Batka and I'm your back pain coach and clinical Pilates instructor here in Dallas, Texas. Now, a couple things to remember before we start. Make sure that you are working within your pain tolerance. And if you ever have any questions, please do let me know in the comments, okay? Now, let's begin. And today we are going to start on our hands and knees. All right, so find a comfortable spot and then separate your knees hip distance apart and have your hands right underneath your shoulders. All right, take a big breath in through the nose. And then as you exhale, I would like you to push your t-shirt and your spine all the way up to the sky and then drop your head down. Push your knees, your feet, and your hands away from the mat. And then we're going to take a big breath in through the nose here. And then as you exhale, we are going to drop the t-shirt down and then we are going to look. So this is extension of the spine. And then we are going to flex it again. Very good. Take a big breath in here. And then as you exhale, lower it down and then look up. So this is your daily live back pain relief session. I go live every single weekday at 8:45 a.m. Central US time to help you overcome back pain. Jeez, I can't talk today. Very good. And then just keep moving because even research supports that even 5-10 minutes of spine specific movements can actually help you reduce your back pain and also inflammation, because when you're exercising, your body is actually releasing endorphins, right? And that's our body's natural painkiller. So let's do this together. We have 619 million people around the world struggling with chronic back pain. I'm sure couple of them can find this very useful. Hopefully they jump on YouTube. Okay, let's do 2 more. And then let's do 1 more. Very good. Now on the next one, we are going to move our leg as well. So we're gonna mobilize our hip joint, okay? So bring your right knee under your belly. Think about creating a very small shape with your body. So drop your head down and then we're going to take a big breath in through the nose. And then as you exhale, slide your foot out, away, and then look up to the sky. So now your body is a straight line. And then when you bring it in, again, we are flexing the spine. Flexion and a little bit of extension, more like a flat back, okay? Now, if you would like to, you can actually lift this leg up, okay? You don't have to. When you are lifting your leg up, you are actually strengthening your back and your body as well, okay? And your glute is working as well. But you don't have to if it doesn't feel good. I just give you options here. You can slide it in and out. Very good. We have 2 more on this side. And then 1 more. Very good. Now let's do the other side. Let's do the other leg. Okay, so again, think about creating a very small shape with your body. Slide the foot and then look up. And then think about flexing your spine, creating a very small shape with your body and then out. Nice. Keep moving in and out. And you have the option to lift this leg up to the sky. You don't have to. If it doesn't feel good, just leave it. Nice. And then we're gonna do 2 more. And then let's do 1 more. Nice. We're gonna sit back on our heels, and today we are going to do some side lying exercises as well. So we're gonna lay down on our side. Doesn't matter which side you start first because we are going to do both. Now the bottom leg is bent, okay? And then first, have this top leg up hip height. And then from here, we are going to bring this knee very close to our chest. And then you are going to kick out. And then when you're kicking, I would like you to kind of like look up or above and then lift your chest up, okay? And then again, small shape. You can even bring your arm overhead as well, and a big shape. So again, we are creating a small shape, flexion, and extension of the spine. You have 3 more, 3, and 2, and then 1 more. Nice. We are going to lower this leg down, and now we're gonna rotate our spine. You can bring your arms out in front of you together. Top arm reaches up to the sky, and then rotate the chest and look behind you. And then bring it all the way back in. You have the option to interlace your fingers behind your head, lead with the top elbow, and then rotate your chest. Okay? Do the option that feels better for you today. And then we're gonna do 3 more. And 2. And then 1 more. And 1. Very good. And now we are going to do the other side. All right. And then whenever you're ready, again, we have 2 options here. You can either have your arms straight out in front of you and then rotate your chest and then reach your arm behind you, or interlace your fingers, reach, leading with the top elbow, and then rotate the chest. Very good. Back and forth. And then we have 3 more. And 2. And 1. Nice. We are going to have the top leg out. And then bring the knee very close to your chest. Again, think about creating a very small shape with your body. Kick out, and then you can reach your arm above your head. In and out. Flexion and extension. Very good. And then we have 3 more. And 2. And then 1 more. Nice. We are going to lay down on our back now. We have about 3 minutes left of this short 10-minute session today. Separate your feet hip distance apart and bring your feet very close to your body. We're gonna take a big breath in through the nose. And then as you exhale, first, I would like you to tilt your pelvis so you're jamming your low back down against the floor. And then slowly peel your spine off the mat, 1 vertebrae at a time. Take a big breath in here. And then as you exhale, we are going to roll our back down, 1 vertebrae at a time. Very good. And then going back to neutral with your pelvis. And then tilt your pelvis so you're jamming your low back down against the floor, and then slowly peel your spine off the mat, 1 backbone at a time. You only go as far as it feels good for your body. As I said, make sure that you're working within your pain tolerance. Take a breath in, and then as you exhale, very slowly roll all the way back down. We have 2 more like this. You are doing awesome. And then tilt your pelvis and then roll all the way up as far as you can. Take a big breath in here. And then as you exhale, very slowly roll all the way back down. Beautiful. And then we have 1 more. Big breath in. And then as you exhale, tilt your pelvis and then roll all the way up, 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 up. Beautiful. Take a breath in, and then as you exhale, roll all the way back down. Nice. Have your knees together and feet together, arms down by your side. They are glued together, okay? So try not to separate your knees. Of course, if you need to, you can. And then we are going to lower the knees to one side, bring it back to the middle, and then lower the knees to the other side. Only go as far down as it feels good for your body. You don't have to push yourself. Enjoy the movement. Enjoy what your body can do today. Very good. Nice. And then we are going to do 1 more each side. Nice. Bring it all the way back in. Hug your knees. Think about, again, creating a very small shape with your body. We are going to sit up, and then we have one exercise left. And the only thing we didn't do with our spine today is side bend, lateral flexion of the spine. We did rotation, flexion and extension. Okay, so this is our last one. Have your left hand down by your side. Lift the right arm up to the sky. Soften this left elbow, stay here. And now we are going to rotate the chest down towards the floor. Rotate it back sideways and then come all the way back up. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. And then rotate your chest towards the mat. Rotate it back and then come all the way back up. We're gonna do one more each side. So going to the left, rotate your chest towards the mat, rotate it back sideways, and then come all the way back up. And then the last one. Rotate the chest towards the floor, towards the mat, lift back up sideways, and then come all the way up. And then interlace your fingers above your head, look up to the sky. Take a big breath in through the nose, and then as you exhale, lower your arms down by your side. And thank you so much for moving here with me today. If this video helped you, please like it. Comment it where you were watching from. I would love to hear from you, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future sessions that are designed for people with back pain. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and I see you tomorrow morning at 8:45 a.m. Central US.